like the way that you blocked the ramp.
Downloadable coupon online. Call now, 619-586-6620, or visit SemperSolaris.com. Rebate based on size of system, ordered after installation and payment in full. Tax credit based on eligibility. Consult your tax advisor. Subject to credit approval.
Understood, and it doesn't sit well with a whole lot of taxpayers. Got one last one?
Inside the 5, the stories you're talking about. Number 4.
One of our historic homes in National City by using Rhino Shield, and this home looks like it's brand new. In my 39 years of working with contractors on historic homes,
Federal employees who for the first time in ministry shutdowns today are missing their first paycheck ever. A paycheck, which, by the way, has already been guaranteed to be
a place here on a typical weekday afternoon. Stan, but you were saying with the rain, not quite as busy.
That's right. Last time it rained, the same thing.
So what are you expecting here with several days of rain?
I think the rain scares them away. Maybe they're not driving as much.
Well, that could be. You know, be careful out there. But look, people are still going to need gas, right?
That's right.
All right, Stan, thanks. We're live here at the Cajon gas station here just off of Friars Road in Mission Valley as the rain continues to fall. With Albert, Kogo News.
the governor is visiting.
order to save the planet. So McConnell calls for a vote on it. And Markey,
Mallory, Quinn, Carmen Perez, Linda Sarsour. We're going to have a lot of explaining coming up in our future. Had the courage to take on something big, important, and urgent and never gave up.
Oh, that was cool.
The frick was that?
I don't know, but it was on.
They should make 6
Where's that person going?
Sandman movies. Oh,
Where's this person
what?
going?
Oh,
Oh,
oh. And that, what?
a U-turn? It's a guy.
86, the NASDAQ and S&P 500 posting some good gains today as well. One of the reasons for, well, there are a number of reasons why the market has all of a sudden started moving higher. We've been up in, I believe, 8 of the last 9 sessions. It's the NASDAQ with the fact that the Federal Reserve has got to set on this.
Take on the Atlanta legend at SDCCU Stadium. Oh, I think we're giving those away. Let them know. Yeah.
With all the field operations people, we have direct line with the field, the actual people in on the streets, and then all the way up through corporate, we have communication with all of them. So we try
And shut it all down. So, fake news. But you remember the Planned Parenthood scandal about the same one along the I-5, maybe save yourself a little bit of time. No incidents reported, no new crashes on the northbound 5 to 805 West 8 heavy out.
people that might have any information related to this case or maybe a possible victim to please call the Sheriff's Department Child Abuse. Without their permission, you know, it's like operating a business on your property, but you're not getting any money for it. They can contact us through the website, and we will send somebody out. We'll do a walkthrough with them. We post signs.
Hello?
We notify all the companies and say, hey, this business owner or this homeowner doesn't want your product on their property, and then we start going by and removing it when we see it. Keep in mind that to us, the scooter is a great concept. It really is, if it's used properly. And unfortunately, it has been almost like an infestation that's been put on the city, and it just needs to.
And you said there was no collusion, and now they're seemingly giving polling. Giuliani's response is, well, hold on a second. I never said there wasn't any collusion between the Trump campaign and Russia. And I was like, what? I was like, literally, when I saw that, I was like, what? And he said, what I said was, there's no collusion between my client, President Trump, and Russia. There may have been collusion between the Trump campaign and members of the Trump campaign in Russia, but not my client. And I'm thinking, no. That's not it. Collusion requires that there was an offer from the Russian government to help Donald Trump, and that offer was presented to the campaign, and the campaign took advantage of that offer. Thus far, no evidence has emerged to that effect. Zero.
Way more of your time than we thought. Thank you so much.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's what we found out the other day. It blows. It really blows.
Oh, the one in the distance is going off too. Right there.
Yeah. That one was going pretty good, but it wasn't going off like that. Come on. sei alto? Quanto sei alto quello? No, that one's really fun. Vedi proprio il getto là, guarda, là in fondo vedi proprio il
That's really going.
Yeah.